How to increase FPS on Fortnite mobile. What you want to do is load up your game and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Here we will go to settings. Now the first thing that you can do to increase your FPS is obviously adjust the mobile frame rate. So if you are on 20 or 30 FPS, you want to go up to however much your FPS goes. So for me that's going to be 60, so you just want to go all the way to 60 FPS. Now another thing that you can do in order to increase your frame rate on Fortnite is changing the quality presets here. So you can go to low quality and that is going to increase your FPS. Also the 3D resolution, you can set this to auto, and you can also adjust it manually here from the last or from the slider. And you can also show your FPS if you want to, but that's not necessary. And that's how you increase your FPS on Fortnite mobile. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. Make sure you save your changes, and I'll see you next time.